Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last night I was chatting online to an old American friend of mine who lives in California. And a lot of our conversation revolved around something we're both equally terrified of, which is the prospect of a second Donald Trump presidency. Something that I think would be terrible for Europe, could be potentially disastrous for Ukraine, and that, as my friend said, could well spell the end of democracy as we know it in the United States. Trump is someone who's always been very open about his admiration for autocrats and dictators like Vladimir Putin, and he's always been very upfront about his desire to weaken and damage American democracy. If you say that someone is upfront about something, you mean that they're not making any attempt to hide what they think, even though they know that possibly what they think and what they say may be offensive or even scary to some people. So Trump has always been upfront about his intentions from the very beginning. Maybe you're interviewing people for a job, and you ask people why they want to take this job, and one particular candidate ends up being very upfront about why they want the job. It's simply because it would mean they'd earn a lot more money. And maybe if someone in your life has been hiding things from you and not telling you everything about what's going on in their life, you might end up having a bit of a discussion with them to try to clear the air, and you might tell them, I wish you'd just been a bit more upfront with me about everything and not tried to keep things from me in the way that you did. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use upfront. And remember, if you are voting, vote wisely.